Why do Parkinson's patients experience memory loss? Imagine your brain as a busy city with roads, signals, and communication lines. In Parkinson's disease, this city faces disruptions not just in movement but also in how it processes and stores information. Memory loss in Parkinson's is a common concern, but understanding why it happens can help us see the bigger picture. Parkinson's disease is a neurodegenerative disorder, meaning it gradually damages nerve cells in the brain. One of the main features is the buildup of Lewy bodies, which are abnormal protein clumps made mostly of alpha-synuclein. These Lewy bodies start in areas controlling movement but can spread to parts of the brain responsible for thinking and memory. When they reach the cerebral cortex and limbic system, they damage neurons that help us remember and process information. This spread is a key reason why some people with Parkinson's develop cognitive decline or dementia over time. Another factor involves how the brain's neural activity is affected. Normally, our brains use electrical signals called brain waves to help with thinking and memory. In Parkinson's, the modulation of these signals, especially beta oscillations, becomes impaired. This disruption makes it harder for the brain to encode new memories or retrieve existing ones. Think of it like a radio station with poor reception. Messages don't come through clearly, making memory formation less reliable. Genetics also play a role. Certain inherited mutations, especially in the GBA gene, can increase the risk of developing cognitive issues. The GBA gene helps with the health of brain cells, and mutations here are linked to faster progression of the disease and more significant memory problems. So, some individuals may be genetically predisposed to experience more cognitive challenges as their Parkinson's advances. Other factors can influence memory loss too. Older age at diagnosis is associated with a higher chance of cognitive decline. Sleep disturbances common in Parkinson's, like REM sleep behavior disorder, are also linked to worsening memory. Additionally, conditions such as depression or vascular issues like stroke and heart disease can impact brain health and make memory problems more noticeable. Sometimes, medications used to treat Parkinson's can have side effects that affect cognition, and other health issues like vitamin deficiencies or infections may temporarily worsen memory. It's important to recognize that cognitive changes in Parkinson's often differ from those seen in Alzheimer's disease. While Alzheimer's typically begins with memory loss, Parkinson's usually starts with difficulties in planning, problem-solving, or visual spatial skills. Memory problems tend to develop later or alongside these other issues. Living well with Parkinson's involves understanding these changes and taking steps to support brain health. Managing risk factors like blood pressure, sleep quality, and mood can help slow cognitive decline. Regular cognitive assessments allow for personalized care, and staying mentally active, socially engaged, and following medical advice can make a positive difference. In summary, memory loss in Parkinson's disease results from the spread of Lewy bodies damaging key brain regions, disrupted neural activity needed for memory, genetic factors, and other health conditions. Recognizing these factors helps patients and caregivers better prepare and seek appropriate support. Always consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice, as each person's experience with Parkinson's is unique.